Welcome to AKT's review of key enhancements in the SuccessFactors H1 2026 release. Let's take a look at the Succession Planning and Career and Talent Development module. These are the version release enhancements. Let's dive in. Enhancement 1. Let's look at a really important enhancement in succession planning. With this release, organizations can now ensure that succession planners only have access to nominations within their defined population. So, in this example, John Huddleston has access on his direct reports and their hierarchy all levels down. Because of that, he has the right permissions to view, add, and edit successors directly from the position card of his team. When he tries to nominate Raj Kumar as a successor for Colm Spears, the system allows the action and makes Raj's data visible as he is included in the permitted population. Now, let's look at this from another perspective. Gil Evanier is also a direct manager, so he can run succession activities for his team, viewing and managing successors just like John. But here's the difference. Raj isn't part of Gil's hierarchy or target population. So now, Gil simply cannot access Raj's succession data or nominate him as a successor. The system actively prevents him. And it's very clear. He gets an immediate error message, so there's no confusion. Why it matters? Succession planning is one of the most sensitive areas in talent management. This enhancement strengthens data privacy, improves accuracy, and ensures that access is always aligned with organizational boundaries. And it's worth calling out. This was actually driven by a customer idea, which shows SAP's commitment to listening and continuously improving. Expert tip. This restriction isn't just in one place. It's applied consistently across the entire experience, including position cards, talent cards, and the latest people profile. The change, though, is off by default. So organizations that want to enable restrictions should first define appropriate target populations for their succession planner permission roles, and then enable the setting in nomination setup. Enhancement 2. Let's take a look at another exciting enhancement, especially relevant for skills-based organizations. This one is all about empowering employees to take ownership of their development by connecting their goals with their interests, strengths, and real opportunities. We now have a new Link Assignments button directly within the Development Goal Details page. What does that mean in practice? Employees can search across all available assignments in the opportunity marketplace and instantly link the ones that matter most to their goals. They can do all of this without leaving the goal page. It's fast, seamless, and keeps everything connected. Why it matters. For employees, development plans become much more than a list of goals. They turn into a living, dynamic journey with real assignments, projects, and experiences directly tied to their growth. For managers and HR, this brings much richer visibility. You can clearly see how employees are developing, making career conversations more meaningful, and performance discussions far more grounded in real activity. Expert tip. This is automatically on, but don't let that lull you into a false sense of simplicity. Automatically on means the button appears without you flipping a switch, but it will only actually work if all prerequisites are already in place in your environment. Before assuming your users have this capability, validate each dependency. Latest goal management enabled. Competencies field configured in the development goal plan template, not just in the system, specifically in the template. Users have read or write permission to the competencies field. Assignment opportunities enabled in Opportunity Marketplace. If any one of these is missing, the Link Assignments button simply won't appear, and users won't get an error explaining why. They'll just not see it. Need help maximizing the latest SuccessFactors enhancements? Get in touch with our team